Hi guys, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to change Gmail phone number on mobile. Let's start this tutorial by opening the Gmail app on your device. Next, tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, tap Manage Your Google Account option. Now it will show a pop-up window, and then simply tap on the Personal Info option right here. Next, scroll down to Contact Info section, then in here, tap the Phone option. Next, select your phone number then tap the pencil icon located at the upper right part. Now if prompted, you need to enter your password to verify that it's you. Now after that, tap the pencil icon again to edit it. Next, tap the Update Number button, then enter the new phone number that you want to use, then tap the Next button below. Make sure that the number is correct and it's yours. Then tap the Get Code button below to receive the verification code. After that, simply enter the code that you received from Google, then tap the Verify button. Now wait for it to complete the verification, and once done, it will change your phone number in your Gmail. That's it. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. Thank you so much.